There are so many independent lines of evidence that support evolution. If I had to pick one, though, that is really compelling and easy and quick to explain, it may be non-homologous end joining. Stick around for a quick and convincing proof of evolution. Hey there, I'm John and welcome to my channel. We discuss interesting and challenging aspects of Christianity here. Evolution is a big topic for us. I'm a Christian and I think it would be healthy if more Christians accepted evolution. So let's get right to it. Sometimes DNA breaks. I mean both strands snap, a complete break. The injury is often the result of radiation. Now often the cell can repair the DNA effectively, using a nearby chromosome as a template. When a template is not available, the cell panics and Plan B is enacted. Plan B is called non-homologous end joining, or NHEJ for short. The process is quite complex, but the end result is that the broken ends are often trimmed and the two parts are joined back together. And I have a model here of a repaired DNA strand. All right. Now there are a few different versions of NHEJ, especially with a couple of these in particular, such as theta-mediated end joining. The result is messy. Parts of the DNA, like the part that got blown away by the radiation, and some of the ends that got trimmed in the repair process, are missing. What's more, the whole process is error-prone, and we often see mutations at the repair site. And in some cases, spare parts get pulled in as the cell grabs whatever is around to use in its fight to stay alive. As Yuichiro Miyaoka and colleagues remark, NHEJ is an error-prone mechanism in which broken ends of DNA are joined together, often resulting in a heterogeneous pool of insertions and deletions. Likewise, as Howard Chang and colleagues write, this flexibility permits NHEJ to function on a wide range of DNA end configurations, with the resulting repaired DNA junctions often containing mutations. And again, as Graeme Findlay explains, the stitched-up break might be held together by extraneous segments of DNA, usually copied from a site nearby in the same chromosome, but sometimes copied from anywhere else in the genome. The repair site may have lost some of the original base sequence, either when the injury happened or during the trimming of loose ends by exonucleases. And a few bases may have been inserted that were not copied from any DNA template. Finally, I'll quote Michael Lieber, one of the foremost experts in this area. He comments, NHEJ does not return the local DNA to its original sequence, thus accounting for the wide range of end results. Part of this heterogeneity arises from the diversity of the DNA ends, but much of it arises from the many alternative ways in which the nuclease, polymerases, and ligase can act during NHEJ. So, we can often tell there was a repair. There is a scar. And the scars are not all alike. They are often recognizable from each other. As Graeme Findlay asserts, any one double-stranded DNA break spliced together by NHEJ generates a unique mutational fingerprint that would provide a perfect marker of monoclonality in the descendants of the damaged cell. And this is the key to how NHEJ proves evolution. We have found lots of these scars in the chimpanzee genome. Scientists have scrolled through genome databases to search for segments of DNA that bear the fingerprints of DNA repair patches. The key indications are that a piece of DNA has been copied from one site into another, concomitantly with losses and gains of bases at the recipient's site. Then, when we look at the human genome, we see many cases of the same scar in the same place as in the chimp genome. We see this over and over again. How does this happen? The location where radiation breaks DNA strands should be random. Photons don't aim at certain locations. And so it seems inconceivable that all these repairs would happen in chimps and humans in the exact same places over and over and over again. The explanation is quite clear. These breaks and repairs happened in the common ancestor of chimps and humans, and we inherited them, as did chimps. Chimps and humans share a common ancestor. Evolution is true. I haven't seen an argument from direct creationists refuting this evidence. I don't think there is any reasonable refutation. Well, that's it for now for this short video. Until next time, God bless.